learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt FM 100.
Hello, 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling, and we are going to go ahead and teach you another Hakka proverb right here. Put on your glasses and be educated, okay? 我们现在请大家戴上眼镜，因为我们要很有知识性的，
要很有学问，
要很有学问的，对，再来教大家一句这个客家谚语好了，Hakka proverb。
对，好，我先念一下哈。我们今天要教的就叫做收梯收門角，四面四耳角。
收梯收門角，
四面四耳角，
四面四耳角，什么意思？
就是
break it down。
扫地呢要扫门角。
Okay, the first part of this proverb means when you sweep the floor, you have to sweep the corners. Okay, 就是角落嘛，门的角落。Okay, 那第二段呢？
洗脸呢就要洗耳角。
对，耳朵后面这个看不到的地方。
看不到的地方。
Okay, when you wash your face, you gotta wash behind your ears. Okay, I can kind of sense what this is about. 其实我们在打扫的时候，常常就是很快的，赶快呢把这个桌面啊，然后地上扫一扫，忘记其实最脏的地方就会是在墙角的地方。
对啊，尤其以前客家人我们的门是比较大的，是木门，这样打开来嘛，打开它后面有个角度，我们通常会把一些用不到的工具，像扫把啦、畚斗啊，都放在那边，
都堆在那里，对不对？
对，所以那边其实永远都是最脏的。
Yeah, that's true. So this first part of the proverb is kind of reminding us when you were cleaning up the house, sweeping the floor, you got to pay attention to the corners because usually that's the dirtiest place. And for the second part of the proverb, it's all about when you're washing your face, you got to wash behind the ears. 所以这个 proverb 这个谚语应该是要提醒我们要做事要做的彻底咯。
就是小地方也是要注意。
对。Again, kind of reminding us that when we do something, we got to pay attention to the little details to make it complete. All right. So let's go ahead and listen into the English explanation.
When you are sweeping the floor, sweep the corners. When you're washing your face, wash behind the ears. This Hakka proverb speaks of attention to detail. It's easy to neglect the corners of the room when cleaning or behind the ears when washing because they're less noticeable areas. But if it's a job worth doing, it's worth doing well. Don't do things in a superficial way. Give them your all and don't miss the hard-to-reach spots.
And let's have Leo repeat this proverb one more time. 我们请 Leo 再讲一次这个谚语。
收梯收門角，四面四耳角。
And there you go. You've learned another Hakka proverb here on Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只識張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.